In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Notion templates. If you've ever opened a fresh page in Notion and wished it were already organized, templates are the fastest path to a polished setup. Today, we'll use Notion's built-in gallery and marketplace to grab a free template, using a weekly planner as our example. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This gives you a clean canvas, and more importantly, it reveals the template options for that page. On that blank page, look toward the bottom for the Templates button. Clicking it opens Notion's gallery, where you can explore starter layouts curated by Notion and the community. Inside the gallery, head to the Templates area to see the full collection. This takes you to the broader marketplace view, which is organized by categories like planning, personal, and project management. It's a convenient way to discover designs that match what you're building. Use the search bar to type weekly planner. This narrows the results to layouts built specifically for planning your week. Search is flexible, so similar phrases will surface related options, but weekly planner is a great place to start if you want an immediate practical template. Now browse and select a free template that suits your style. As you scan the results, look for a free label or a price of 0 and open a few listings to compare. Read the description to understand how the database is structured, check the preview images to see the sections you'll get, and note any tags like calendar, Kanban, or tasks so you know how it works. Choosing something that mirrors your workflow will save you time later. When you found the right one, click Add. Notion will duplicate the template into your workspace and place it as a new page. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you may be asked where to add it. Just confirm the destination you use most. After a brief moment, the page loads with all the views, properties, and sample content included. From there, you can rename the page, remove any placeholder items, and tailor properties like dates, status, or priority to fit your system. That's all there is to it. Create a new page, open the Templates button at the bottom, go to the Templates section, search Weekly Planner, pick a free option, and click Add. With that flow, you can grab calendars, trackers, project dashboards, and more without starting from scratch. Enjoy building, and I'll see you in the next one.